Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Paik and my midterm fieldwork will be on Kahoot. What is Kahoot? Kahoot is a game-based platform where users can learn through games and quizzes. There are two main functions: to either create and host your own Kahoot, which is essentially a game, or you can play any user's Kahoot using a specific pin code. While its main function was built for educational purposes, it allows you to log in as 4 different audiences: as an educator, a student, in a social setting, or in a workplace. In a teacher's point of view, you are able to see various collections of pre-made quizzes. The collections range from topics such as Earth and Space, Math, History, English, and even Spanish. If you don't want to use someone else's Kahoot, you have the option to build your own. The first step would be to choose what kind of Kahoot: quiz, jumble, or survey. After you choose the overall design, you can manipulate different game settings, such as asking specific questions, changing the time limit for each question, awarding a specific amount of points. You can even add your own images or YouTube videos to show. The most common way teachers can use Kahoot is to project the game on a large screen and have students play on their devices in class, but there is also an option to assign it as homework. While all the things I just mentioned are free, there are other features available if you upgrade to Kahoot Plus, which is only $1 a month, so $12 a year. As seen in the table, there are more organizational and networking tools if you upgrade, so the Plus version might be useful if you plan on using this application often. On the flip side, in a student's point of view, all you need is some type of device, i.e. a cell phone, laptop, or tablet. You would just use a specific pin code given by your teacher to participate in a game, and from there you can play individually or as a team. While the questions are projected on the screen, the answer choices are shown on your device, and from there you can decide what's your answer. Your device will also keep track of the amount of points and questions you got correct. If students really enjoy the app and would like to play a bunch of other topics, the quizzes are accessible to them at any time. Students can play as much as they want, and in turn, Kahoot might be a great study resource for them. Overall, I believe students are more likely to see a growth in learning by making content fun, inclusive, and engaging through platforms like Kahoot. I believe my statement to be true based on recent trends in education. There have already been technological advancements that have seen success in the classroom today, such as the smartboard or iClicker. Another trend in education is the flipped classroom model. This is where the majority of learning and lectures occurs outside the classroom. Class time is used for homework, group work, and collaborative assignments. In this case, Kahoot would be a great way to form quality class time. In the readings, Solochek mentions in his article how lecturing is not dead, but it has to shrink. This may be due to the fact class time is boring and tiring for students. Students are probably being lectured from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. without time to engage, have fun, and think creatively. This quote is also proven to be true through Bishop and Verliger's findings that students liked interactive class time more than in-person lectures. Applications such as Kahoot are just some ways we can change the traditional methods of teaching. By incorporating a game-like quiz, students are still stimulated to remember and apply concepts they've learned in a fun manner. I can see 4 specific ways Kahoot can be applied in the classroom. The first way would be to weave the game in with lectures. Students sometimes get tired or bored while learning, so Kahoot would be a great way to refresh and re-energize them. Another way Kahoot can be applied is in the flipped classroom model. During class time, you can test students on material they learned at home. It can be a fun review quiz to see what concepts students understand and what do they not. Kahoot would be helpful for teachers to keep track of their students' progress. The third way would be to assign Kahoot for homework or assignments during school breaks. Oftentimes, students forget the material they learned, so by reinforcing material in a fun game-like manner might be helpful. The final way would be to have students create their own Kahoots on material they just learned, and then you would assign them to take and review each other's games. Overall, I think there are many benefits of Kahoot, and I listed them below. While I do believe the flipped classroom model to be interesting and beneficial in the classroom, I don't think learning outside of classroom should be solely based on videos for students to watch, nor should classroom time be just fun and games or other interactive activities. I believe there needs to be a healthy balance of both in order to reap the benefits of a flipped classroom model. Kahoot is just one out of many platforms to help us reach a future where education can be fun and effective. Thank you.